Hi, Lucila. I'm great, thanks. How about you?
Hi, Hugo. How are you today?
Oh, yes, I remember. It was the first summer vacation we'd ever had. I felt so disappointed, but I'm sure this time we are going to plan something much better and funnier.
I'm fine. Thanks. Do you remember the story we shared last week about our work summer vacation?
That sounds amazing. I think await is the loveliest destination to have the best summer vacation. Are you going to make a reservation?
That's obvious. We are going to organize the best summer vacation ever. The last one was horrible, and I was shocked that everything went wrong. But this time, we are going to visit the most beautiful beach, which is Hawaii. What do you think?
When are we going to go?
Yes, of course. I'm funny everything this week.
How are we going to have there?
We are living in 1 month and staying for 2 weeks. It's going to be so relaxing.
You are total right. The most important thing is that we enjoy the vacation. What activities are we going to do?
We are going to take a cruise to Hawaii. It's a bit more expensive than traveling by plane, but we are going to have a lot of fun.
Wow, I'm sure that it's going to be exciting. What clothes are we going to bring?
We are going to go surfing, swimming, and play volleyball. I'm interested in take and boat trip twist and island.
Right, accessories are important too. The weather in Hawaii is very good and sunny. We also have to bring sunscreen.
We are going to bring swimming suits, short t-shirt, and flip-flops. And don't forget our hats and sunglasses.
We need beach towels and a camera because I want to take a lot of photos.
Yes, of course. What other things are we going to need?
I think this vacation is going to be better than the previous one. Do you remember what the weather was like last time?
Great. How different do you think it's vacation is going to be compared to the last one?
I'm sure we are going to have a great time there.
Yes, it was the ugliest weather ever. I know that Hawaii is going to be more beautiful than the last time. The resort is also more modern and the beaches are cleaner.
That would be incredible. I'm so excited.
I predict that we are going to see dolphins during our boat trip. It's going to amazing.
You're welcome, Lucila. It's time to go. See you soon.
Me too. Well, Hugo, I think we had planned everything. Thanks for helping me organize this wonderful vacation.
You too. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, Hugo. Take care.